Hey guys, my name's Jackson. I'm here with Marshall Electronics. We're at the NAB show 2019. I want to show you our new CV500 cameras. So we've upgraded our popular CV502 camera with the new CV503. So the new CV503 is essentially an upgrade over the 502 in every way. So with the new 503, you have a 20% larger sensor inside the camera. So you're going to get better color depth, richer colors, better low light sensitivity. Also, the new CV503 has a built-in little protective wing here on the back of the camera. So with this wing, it helps protect the cable connectors from any accidental shearing off or damage in case the camera gets bumped during your production. Another improvement that we made for this camera is the back here. We now have a 12-pin breakout cable. Before we had a Phoenix connector back there, which is a little bit tricky to use. Now it's a locking 12-pin connector, clicks right into place. So on your connector, you've got your power, you've got your RS485 control for all of your remote adjustment of white balance, gamma, gain, saturation. And you now have stereo audio embedding. So with the stereo audio embedding, you can capture stereo audio over TRS and it embeds it right onto the 3GSDI feed. Also, we now have only one model here in the CV503. The 502 had two different models, which could be kind of confusing based on the frame rate. This one model now captures everything from 23 frames all the way up to 1080p 60. So that's the CV503. You've got your 3GSDI and your breakaway cable. And the 506 here also has HDMI output. So you've got your 3GSDI, your HDMI, and your breakout. So that's the new Marshall CV500 camera series. For more information, visit us online at www.marshall-usa.com.